Today, we're comparing MacKeeper versus CleanMyMac to see which one's the better choice for keeping your Mac clean, fast, and secure. I've tested both tools side by side on the same MacBook for a few weeks. And in this video, I'll walk you through what actually matters: cleanup, privacy features, customer support, pricing, and what's it really like to use each one. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of which one fits your needs better. And by the way, if you find this video helpful, the best way to support me and my channel is to sign up to either one of the tools using my links in the description of this video. It doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps support the channel. Thank you very much, and now let's get started. Let's start with what each of these tools is actually built for. MacKeeper isn't just a cleaning app. It's an all-in-one solution that helps you protect, clean, and optimize your Mac in just a few clicks. It combines real-time antivirus protection, a built-in VPN, ad blocking, identity theft monitoring, and system cleaning features in one dashboard. It's developed by Clario Tech, and while it had a rocky reputation years ago, the 2025 version is a serious comeback. It's A/B test certified, Apple notarized, and rated excellent on Trustpilot. More than 60 million people have downloaded it, and that scale alone says a lot. CleanMyMac, built by MacPaw, is more narrowly focused. It's designed to clean your Mac, free up space, improve performance, and scan for threats. MacPaw calls it the only true 5-in-1 Mac care tool. And that's fair. It handles junk removal, malware scans, speed boosts, duplicate file cleanup, and app updates. Over 29 million people use it, and it's beautifully designed and also Apple notarized. Both tools are popular, but they approach Mac maintenance from slightly different angles. MacKeeper leans towards security and all-in-one automation, while CleanMyMac puts more focus on system cleanliness and usability. Let's start with system cleanup and performance. I tested both on a cluttered MacBook, and they each found around 8 to 10 gigabytes of junk. Old logs, caches, localization files, and leftover data from deleted apps. So as far as core junk detection, both are solid. MacKeeper gave me a clear breakdown of the types of files it was deleting and had everything organized into categories like caches, language files, and system logs. According to their public stats, MacKeeper removed over 2.5 million gigabytes of junk files in 2021 alone. Where MacKeeper pulled ahead for me was duplicate cleanup. Its duplicate finder scanned my photos library and flagged hundreds of duplicates that CleanMyMac didn't even catch. It felt a bit more aggressive, which is actually a plus if you want to reclaim serious space. Now, with that said, CleanMyMac has an edge in terms of design. Its interface is smooth, and features like Space Lens help visualize where your storage is going. It also makes you confirm every cleanup action. Great if you want more control. According to MacPaw, CleanMyMac users remove over 35 million gigabytes of junk, eliminate 328,000 threats, and experience 9.8 million speed improvements monthly. It's effective, no doubt, but a bit more cautious and hands-on compared to MacKeeper. So the takeaway here is CleanMyMac feels more refined and beginner-friendly, but MacKeeper digs deeper when it comes to cleaning and decluttering. Next up, app uninstallation and system optimization. CleanMyMac's uninstaller is really thorough. When I tested it on Adobe Creative Cloud, it removed not just the app, but all related files buried in system folders. That level of cleanup is impressive. MacKeeper also has an uninstaller, and in most of my tests, it worked well. It found the app and most of its leftovers. I did need to run a second pass on a couple of apps, but overall, it's held its own. For typical software, you likely won't notice much difference. Now, when it comes to optimization, it's a tighter race. Both tools help you manage login items, free up RAM, and shut down background processes. CleanMyMac's Smart Scan combines junk cleanup, malware scans, and performance boosts into a single-click experience. It's efficient and intuitive. MacKeeper, though, gives you more granular control. You can access optimization tools right from your menu bar. No need to open the full app. Its memory cleaner was especially handy when working with large files and multiple browser tabs. You're getting a faster Mac and more free RAM with just a couple of clicks. Now for the big one, security and privacy. This is where MacKeeper takes the lead. It offers real-time antivirus protection with a 99.7% malware detection rate according to AV tests. In 2021 alone, MacKeeper removed more than 180,000 viruses from users' Macs. That's not theoretical, it's field tested. I ran a harmless malware simulation to compare both. MacKeeper caught it instantly. CleanMyMac required a manual scan before it even flagged the file. That's the big difference. CleanMyMac's malware scanner is powerful, but it's not active in the background. You have to remember to run it. MacKeeper also gives you built-in privacy tools. There's a VPN for secure browsing, an ID theft guard to monitor your email for breaches, and stop ad to block trackers and ads. In 2021, it flagged over 7.4 million leaked records for users and helped protect against identity theft. None of those tools are available in CleanMyMac. You're getting a cleaner, not a full security suit. If you're concerned about malware, public Wi-Fi safety, or data breaches, MacKeeper's tools are simply more comprehensive. Next, let's look at support. CleanMyMac has 24/7 support and a helpful knowledge base. Most of their support is done via email or ticketing. It's responsive, but not always immediate. MacKeeper also offers 24/7 support, but the big difference is live chat. It's built directly into the app. Their team handles over 4.1 thousand live chats every month, and I got a real human response in under 3 minutes. That kind of support is a big deal when you need quick answers during a cleanup or security scan. Now, let's talk about pricing. CleanMyMac starts at $3.95 per month, billed yearly, $47.4 per year for one Mac. It goes up to $5.95 per month for 2 Macs, or $12.95 per month for 5 devices. You get access to all features, support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. MacKeeper's pricing starts at $5.95 per month for one Mac billed annually, or $10.95 per month on a monthly plan. Their best deal is $7.45 per month for 3 Macs billed at $89 per year. It's more expensive than CleanMyMac, but remember, you're not just paying for a cleaning tool. You're getting antivirus, VPN, ad blocker, breach monitoring, and live chat. If you try to patch those tools together with separate subscriptions, you'd likely spend more than MacKeeper's asking price. So yes, it's pricier, but for many people, it's better value. Let's talk about day-to-day use. CleanMyMac is a quiet workhorse. I'd run a smart scan once or twice a week, uninstall unused apps, and check for malware manually. It blended into my routine and didn't interrupt anything. And with over 25 tools packed in, there's a lot you can do with it. MacKeeper was more proactive. It reminded me to turn on the VPN, scan for system vulnerabilities in real time, and monitored for identity leaks 24/7. At first, those pop-ups felt like a lot, but once I adjusted the notifications, I liked knowing that it was looking out for me. It felt like I had an extra layer of defense running in the background. Alright, so what's the bottom line? If you're only focused on keeping your Mac clean and fast, CleanMyMac is a fantastic choice. It's easy to use, beautifully designed, and performs really well. It's ideal for students, light users, and people who aren't too concerned about online privacy. But if you want more than cleanup, if you want your Mac protected from malware, your data monitored for leaks, your browsing encrypted, and real-time chat support, MacKeeper is a better investment. It's a true all-in-one tool. It's trusted by over 60 million users, certified by AV tests, and has proven it can handle performance and protection at scale. My honest take, after using both for weeks, I'd go with MacKeeper. It's a bit more hands-on at first, but once it's set up, you get peace of mind every time you boot up your Mac. The extra features make it worth the price, and if you care about both speed and security, it's the best overall package. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to sign up to either CleanMyMac or MacKeeper using the links in the description of this video. No extra cost to you, and it helps support the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.